Yo guys, it's Shadow here, and welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers. Alrighty, so today we're gonna do some more stuff. Very specific, I know. We're basically gonna take care of most of the upstairs kind of lighting and things like that. Also, I want to put on some railing, like so. Seems like a good idea. Yeah, I'm gonna put it like that, that's fine. Put that stuff into build planner. And then all in here as well, there will be railings of some description. Let's add that to the build planner. I think first and foremost I want to go with lighting in here. Now, I think just from a style point of view, these lights, actually, these corner lights, might be what I'm looking for. Just from a, you know, a style kind of point of view. I think these are pretty sweet. They fit with the overall design. Know what I mean? Now I could... No, I'm gonna keep it that way, that's fine. Let's see if we can weld all of them. I think we should be able to. Easily. There we go. Okay. So now... Let me just go in here. We got the corner lights. Actually, normally what I do with blocks like these is I'm turning them off in the terminal so they don't show up all the time. It's a bit more cleanly that way. So this is gonna be level up, upper level center lights, something like that. Gonna rename all of these bad boys. And then we're gonna put them on like... Let's put them on 6 and see how it looks. Let's turn off... Oh, our light is actually off. That might just be enough, honestly. Now I could put a light into the center, but if I do that, I kinda... It will not work here. Unfortunately, if I try that, you know. However, I could, of course, just cut here and have the same kind of setup, essentially. I'm not 100% sure on that one. Let me just... Oops. Let me just do a little thinking here. Now, if I do it like this, then it is a bit more universal, a bit more... You know, a bit more fitting, because then it looks the same on all sides, which is fine, right? I think I'm gonna keep it like that, right? Yeah, that's fine. I didn't plan to put indoors to these areas anyways, honestly. If I'm gonna put indoors, then they're gonna be like here and there, you know? Actually cutting off the rooms themselves. So yeah, I think that's how we're gonna do it. Just pull up real quick. Whoop. Now we have... Actually, we can just go to... Oh, Jesus Christ. Here we go. Corner lights. There they are. Name them the same thing. Then we can search for all of them. And put the radius again to 6. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, that's nicely lit. Well enough, I would say. Okay. So let's start putting on rails. Or railings, not rails. On the center here. So we don't tumble down into doom. And I do want to have a console up here as well for access to the drill, essentially. And I think I'm going to make this console on this side. So it's going to be on the opposite side of this one, but it's going to be closer to the cockpit, which is kind of what I'm looking for. you know, coming out of the cockpit and just turning on the drill, stuff like that. I think I'm just gonna load my inventory with these components. I'm not even gonna try and remember and add everything to a build planner. I'm just gonna go gun-ho. Okay. So let's put, whoops, not what I wanted to put in. So what do we have here? More construction components and tubes. So let's make it, oh, okay, never mind. That should probably be enough. Okay. Very good, very good. Yes, I think that's pretty decent from a visual standpoint, I would say. Makes this look a little bit more organized and pleasant. Yes? Yes, okay, and then this one over here. Okay, very good. So now, what else do I need? I need doors. I do want to put in doors. Actually, let's just put 4 doors into the build planner, shall we? Probably gonna be the easiest way to do this. This? Yes, there we go. Oh, and also 1 button panel. Wanna these. Good. Let's go and get stuff. And oh, that was close. We also need the button panel down in the actual thingamajig. And I was kind of debating in my head if I wanted to put up LCDs. You know, kind of like we did on the main ship. But I'm not 100% sure if I should, if it makes any sense. Because I was like thinking in my head, where do you put up, where and why would you put up like LCDs like that tell you which place is where? And, you know, if it's a place that you know inside out anyway, then why would you do it there? You know, it's only, you only need to like have these descriptors everywhere if it's something that is gonna get used by, you know, by people who don't know it, I guess. So for my sake, I would not have to put any of those things in, I think. But maybe I'll still do that just because it looks a little bit more official that way. But we'll see. So let me also slap that over here. Our little button panel. Check. And then I think we still have a few doors left somewhere. Ah, yes. Ah, it was still functional, but not complete yet. There we go. Neat. Okay, very good. Now to the button panel. Actually, before I do that, let me see. So, the groups that we have right now. We have a group called... Let's see. This one. So, what we're going to do is we're going to... let's see. So that's just these pistons, yes? So we're just gonna take these pistons and then create a group that is called reverse drill piston. There. And then we're gonna do the same thing again. We'll see what this is about. I think I talked about it last time. We're also gonna name a group Stop Drill Pistons. There. Because now, if we go to groups here, we can see the pistons. There, we can have this here and then where is it? Turn on and off. Well, okay, I have to actually name the group differently, I just realized. Stop. That has to be start/stop drill piston. And then this group can delete. There we go. And then we'll Yeah, activation failed because obviously it's not there anymore. Yeah. There we go. Toggle block on and off. There. So now these show up as tooltips. The reverse, stop, and start. And then we'll have the drill head. Vehicle drill head. We'll also make a new group that is called start/stop drills. And that's gonna be here. Did that work? Oh yeah, it's shaking, so it's working. There we go. Not shaking anymore. Good! Very good indeed. Okay. There you go. Let me get some just basic freaking steel plates. And the next thing I want to do is I want to start welding up the cockpit, actually. Especially the floor of the cockpit. So we can do a little bit of decoration in here as well. And, you know, make the cockpit look a little bit more fancy. A bit more useful. Not sure. But yeah. Okay, we'll need some more. Whoop. Nice jump. Let's get some more. Let's get some more. You know, I'm probably also gonna put down a programmable block that is gonna run the automatic LCD script again, because I'm a really big fan of those. And then we'll put up some LCDs like in front here with like different information. You know, I always like to have one with like energy readings, one with damaged blocks and stuff like that. So yeah, that's definitely gonna happen. But first I kind of want to, you know what, I'm an idiot. I can weld this from below. Yes, well, for the most part I can. So yeah, would be a little bit a shorter trip to get plates, right? Now it will take a little bit of my hydrogen, but that's fine. That's why we have it. Also, I think we should move. With our vehicle to get a new drill site. I think. Also, ooh, what I think would be nice is LCDs that show the fill level of the main container, the ore container, that you can see how full it is, and then stop the drilling process accordingly. You know what I mean? That would be fairly cool, I think. So I think that's what I'm gonna try and do. But I might also set up these LCDs like here, maybe somewhere. You know, I could... I'm actually not sure if that works. You know, I was thinking about getting an LCD, like one of these, one of the transparent ones. And then you can slap them like this on the back. But the problem is then everything is gonna be... like mirrored, so that's not particularly useful. Yeah, I'll have to think about that for a second. But yeah, there we go. Let's just use up all of our freaking steel plates on here. Make this tight. And then we'll also get a little bit of a sense how it actually looks in here if everything is welded properly. Obviously, it's gonna get a little bit darker because the sun is not shining in anymore. But yeah, anyway. Let's get a stair. And everything else, I'm not sure what else I need. Let me just get some more of these. Let's also put the stair... not this kind of stair. This stair down here. Then we can slap it down behind here. There it is. So now we can at least walk up to here. Excellent. Okay, so right now, let's unlock our thingamajigs. And then we'll increase our offset a little bit, just so we're safe, to 50 centimeters. We'll flip them in. Then we'll have a little check if, yeah, the drills are actually in. Release the parking brake. Have I released the parking brake or have I not released the parking brake? Oh! Ooh! Ooh! Ooh, that's weird. Ooh, that's weird. Why did that happen? That was weird. What? They're all on the same trigger. Is there... Hold on. Is there like an auto lock somewhere on one of these still? Nope. Huh? Weird. Not sure why that didn't unlock. Maybe it was not locked in the first place. I don't know. Ah well. Okay, let's just go a little bit. Park. I think that's far enough. It's kind of nice how we leave these tiny holes behind us. That's kind of funny, actually. All right, let's okay, everything is still fine. I have to set up this whole thing in the bottom bar a bit better afterwards. But yeah, let's flip them out. I think we should be fine. Wow! Okay. We are not fine. I repeat, we are not fine. Wow. Yeah, let me just do the very, very coarse increase there. Jesus Christ. Also, let me see. One of the... what was it? One of the hinges. One of the turbine hinges lost a head there. This one had a hinge head. That was awkward. Okay, so yeah, this kind of teaches me how we shall in the future... Ooh, okay, we have to weld that as well, obviously. How we have to do that in the future, from what I can see. We definitely have to be more careful. I wasn't aware that I was that crazy with, you know, the inclines that we're dealing with here. Or with the... Well, it's like unevenness, if that is even a word. So let's just go up here. Now, I wonder if I can just place the turbine here. Or if that's not gonna work. I have the feeling it's not gonna work. Not gonna let me. No. Okay, that means we have to get one of them to fold in manually. We'll have to figure out which one it is, though. Turbine hinge. Yeah, I'll have to just quickly figure out which one it is. It's not this one. Not this one. Not this one. This one. Okay. Fold that one in for now. Oh. Yeah. I can also not place it because interior plates. Let's just place it down for now at least. Yank. There we go. My goodness. But that has taught me a lesson, an important one. Always be freaking careful. Always go like at max height before putting down these bad boys, because yeah. Otherwise you will end up exactly in these situations. Not very nice. I think... Oh, we're one block short anyways. Okay. Let me just dump this in here. Ooh, 1.9k scrap. Wow. Okay, then. Let me just dump that right into a refinery real quick. There you go. Gonna have that. Okay. Well, I think we can actually turbine hinge. Which one was it? Was it this one? Nope. Fuck. Was not this one. Then maybe this one? Fuck, okay, I need to... Oh, that was... Okay, okay. Turb, hinge, there we go. Now we can see them properly. That's the way to do it. So this is this one, yeah. Not this one, then it must be this. No? Oh, I think I left one. Yeah, this one. Okay, cool. Cool. Let's disassemble this crap. At this. Okay. Then Mac plate. Ooh, we cannot place these. Okay, we'll have to reverse the whole thing real quick. Let's see. Control panel. What are our groups here? Hinges. Turbine hinges. There we are. Reverse all of those, please. Thank you very much. Place two down. Add. Good. And now we just have to reintegrate them into the normal system and we'll be fine. Just dandy. Okay. So we have these two. They're gonna not be auto-locked and not used for parking. Yes. Oh yeah, right. That's not turbine locking mechanism. That's what I've called it. That's right. So add these two. Hold on. I have 5 in here. I should have 6 though. Why do I have 5? That's weird. Did it pop off one at the back as well? Oh, yeah, it did. Damn. Didn't see that. Okay. Shit. I just was thinking, what happened here? But yeah, okay. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna, let's see. Turn on the drill. Let it down a little bit. Wow, that sound. That was powerful. And then until I see, like, it going into the raw earth, and then I'll stop it for now. Right now it's just ice, baby. In a second we should... There we go. There's the brown appearing. Very nice. Just let it down a little bit more. And then we'll hit this stop switch. So it can stay for there for now. Okay. To the back, to the back. Did we also pop off a... No, we didn't pop off a plate, apparently. That's interesting. Well, only the Mac plate popped off, nothing else. Okay. But that's fixed. Jeez. Okay. Yeah, this is a delicate system. I have to be very careful with it, apparently. Okay. So... locking... Oh, let's see. Mac plates. So this we'll have to copy to here. Auto lock and use for parking off. Then we have the turbine locking mechanism, which now is 2, 4, 6. Yes, that's correct. Okay, so now let's see. Now we're at maximum thingamajig. So I would say let's get them down, right? So this is not an issue, obviously. And now, what I have to be very aware of is that if I, of course, reduce my offset now, is that the drill technically also goes deeper into the earth. Just have to be aware of this fact. So I think normally I would not do this the way I'm doing it now, because that holds some dangers. You know what? I'm actually gonna retract the drill entirely. I don't want to fuck this up. So we'll reverse and then pull it out. Yeah, I don't want to break this thing off. That's going to be a pain if it breaks, so... I have to kind of, like, remember this. I'm working with delicate machines. I cannot just, you know, destroy it in that way. Okay, let's actually turn off the drills entirely. Almost back to base position. Just a few more meters. It's kind of crazy how little they move technically, but still how much distance they cover because there's so many of them. Okay, so now we are lowering until we start seeing yellow lights. Actually, from this perspective, I can kind of see all of them. I just wonder if I'm actually gonna be able to visually see if they are gonna be close enough. Still going. Okay, the front ones have connected or are ready to connect. You can actually see it. The front ones are... I think all of them are actually glowing yellow. Now I think it's all of them. So we're ready to lock. Lock on. I think we have locks everywhere. Yeah, everything is spinning. Now we have to chuck through the energy usage that is the oxygen / hydrogen generators. So, I think I'm gonna remove this from the toolbar. This I still need. The, what is this? It is the light gray one, which is, if we go to wheels, it is, where is it? Decrease height offset. So this is basically for me to reset. And then I'm gonna... let's see. How did I program this? Jesus, I forgot what the wheel offset controller. There it is. I just have to check what the lower. Yeah, that's right. Lower is the string that I'm using to make sure everything works. So we have this one that puts it up. Then we'll just run it with default arguments and then run it with the lower argument. Yes? Like that. Okay. I think for now that's fine. Good. So I'm just gonna let it run for now, I think. Jesus, that was annoying. But we learned an important lesson. You know? That was important. Ooh, is it only getting dark or are we getting a storm? I'll have to check in a second. Let me get 10 of those. No, 20 of those and then the rest of these. Then I'll just plop that in here. I'm just gonna check the oh, Jesus, I'm gonna kill myself again. Not 100% sure. What is the weather? Weather is clear. Oh, so it's just getting dark. I was just confused. Okay. Okay. I'd rather have that than actually having to deal with frickin' sandstorms. Okay. Let me just continue where I left off here, you know. Oh, my lights were off. That's why it felt so dark. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Well, that's all. Well, why did I bring fricking components to create lights if I haven't even welded the frickin' ceiling? That's smart. Oh boy. Okay. Also, I think for once, not for once, but you know, just for a change, we're gonna work with the light panels in here. I think that they're gonna look pretty cool up in here. So where are we gonna put them? How long is this stretch here? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. It is an odd number. Odd numbers are the superior numbers. So that means we can go maybe... let's see. Do we really want one every second steel plate? Do we want like so many lights? Especially with the panels. I don't know if I want that many. Oh, let's just put some down and see how they work. Let's just weld this whole line here and then do that. Let's see if it starts looking goofy or not. Hey, that worked out. I didn't think I would have enough materials, but hey, there you go. Also, we need interior plates for these, I just realized. Damn it! Also, a lot more construction components. Okay, fine. We shall get these things. Let's see. Construction, interior, boom. That's what we need. Excellent. Let's turn off the lights again. Somehow I cannot remember last time it was so dark. Or maybe I'm just forgetting. I don't know. Okay. Let me go into this perspective. So we have the light panels. So these are gonna be cockpit. Cockpig? Captain, get the cockpig! Onto the bridge. Yes. There we go. All of these, and now let's say like 8. Is that sufficient? That's quite sufficient, I would say. Maybe 9 and then a little bit of offset. Just a tiny bit. Or 10? Do we do 10? 10 and then 1.5 offset. Yes, now it's nice and bright. Look at that. Lovely. Okay, cool. Let's get more steel plates. I kind of want to at least seal this whole thing. Ow. But what will happen first? Will I finish it? Or will I kill myself before that? Accidentally. Not on purpose. That's... No. Just no. Maybe I do have to actually put up LCDs because this was just pure luck that I just found the medical room. Even though it's just 4 rooms. It's like luck with me if I'm finding the right one, I think. Okay. Let's finish this whole thing here. Now we probably need a little bit more material. Of course we do. Darn. Oh, well, we have the other side as well, so... No worries there. There we go. Yes, but I start to like it. I think... Just from, you know, this perspective. I mean, it's a bit bare right now, honestly. There needs to be a little bit of stuff in here. A little bit more. You know, a few terminals, mayhaps. But just in general, I do like it. Also here during the night, it's nicely lit up. I mean, I could maybe have a little bit more light right here, but I think it's actually kind of nice. You know, not to have it overlit. Oh, this room is... Yeah, well, we'll have to deal with this whole stuff as well. That's not done yet. But, you know, that's already good. That's already nice. Yeah, I think... Right now I'm totally on like the decoration trip, so I guess that's what we're gonna do next time as well. Let's actually get a good look from outside. Oh yeah, well obviously outside there's still a few like unwelded pieces here that will make it look a little bit awkward for now. But if we weld these as well, at least from this side, it looks rather nice. Yeah, now also that dark ring around it, because there's now light behind it, it actually looks kind of nice. You know? It has a certain charm. I like it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.